All right, let's take a look at shape number 7 here. Remember that each one of these spaces is half an inch. So I'm going to draw just some little marks here. 1, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, so 5.5 inches is the width. Let's take a look at height. 1, 2, and then here we have 3.5. So that's the height, and then the depth obviously is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I could put the third one back there. All right, so 1, 2, 3 is the depth. We've got 5.5 coming this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, and essentially 3.5 high. All right, so I'm going to put this down here in the corner. We'll start drawing in our area here. Remember that it should be in your project, whatever project you name this, and if you need to revisit that, go back to last week's video and set up a project. But I'm still in the shapes, the one that I created last week, and I'm going to create this part. It's here. So essentially I'm going to create this bottom L shape, okay, all the way out to 5.5. I'll worry about this trim here, and then I'm going to extrude it to depth. So let's try that first. Actually, let's do this. There we go. So I'm going to start my sketch. I'm going to look at the front from this side here. So I'm going to look at the front, and if we can imagine looking at it this way. So this would be my top down here, my right side, my left side in the back. So I'm going to use that XY plane. And I'm just going to create line work. 2 up. Use my mouse wheel to scroll out. Go over to the right, 5.5, 5.5, right? Come down 1, go back 4.5, and come down 1. There's my L shape. Okay, if I look at this from the front view, it's this L shape here without the curve. So now I'm just going to extrude it 3 deep. Finish sketch up here. Finish sketch. Extrude 3. And remember, you can extrude it pulling it towards you. You can push it away. You can do it both ways. Whatever floats your boat. 3. I change the dimension here. Hit OK. And that's my base. Now I know that the center of this circle here to the outside is 1.5. So that's my radius, right? My radius is 1.5. I'm over here right now. On this brown line is the radius is 1.5. So I can say that I want this corner to be at a radius of 1.5, right? So I go up here to fillet, whatever you want to call it, fillet. Change my radius dimension to 1.5 and select that line. Hit apply. Same thing. Radius 1.5. Select the line. Apply. And that gives you the radius. For the hole here, we can simply sketch on this surface right? We know that coming from the edge of this arc over here, that hole is centered. So the hole is 1 inch in diameter across. I'm just going to get the circle symbol, find the center point, and drag it till I can input 1 inch, right? There you go. Finish the sketch. Extrude the hole. Oh, but I don't want a solid, I want to cut it. There you go. Distance really doesn't matter. You can extrude to the next surface. You can extrude all, however you want to do it. There's the shape in the hole. And lastly, we're going to sketch on this surface to get this item here. So I've got to turn it around to the back. Here's my front view. The features on this back side flush with that back wall. So I'm going to spin the drawing around and sketch on this surface. Create sketch up here. Touch the surface. And now my sketch is on that surface there. Okay? So I'm going to sketch up here. We see here that this little circular feature is 1/2 an inch up, and the center of it is 1 inch in. So if I create a circle that is 2 inches in diameter, right? Because this is 2 inches all the way across. And then I put dimensions from the bottom to the center of the circle of what? 0.5, right? And then dimension from the back or back wall feature to the center of the circle is 1. That puts the circle where it needs to be. Now we have to worry about these straight edges coming down. Okay, so we're going to just draw a line. And I'm going to hover over the edge of that circle, and it should snap right to the center or tangent line and just come straight down. Right? So same thing on the other side. Straight down. I'm also going to put a line across the bottom here. Okay. Now there's a lot of line work in there, and we don't need all of it. So we can use our trim tool. Trim the bottom away, trim that inside arc, trim that inside arc, and now we've got a semicircle sitting on top of 2 posts with a bottom. Finish our sketch. Extrude this. Going the other way, but we only want to go 1 inch. Right? Okay. So we take a look at it, and the only other feature is this fillet here. And we know that it's a 1/2 inch fillet. So fillet 0.5. This line here. Not this line, not the top line, but the line that's in the very vertex. Apply. So you see the fillet tool does both an addition fillet and a subtractive fillet. Just depends on which. It's kind of intuitive in the drawing. So in this time we wanted to add it. We wanted to add it to those 2 surfaces. In this one here, we were cutting it away. So there's number 7. File, save as, number 7. Save. And there it is, number 7. Okay, so that's that one. We'll move on to the next one.